Hi everyone, it's Gina. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your calendars inside GoHighLevel so your clients can easily book appointments with you. This is one of the most important pieces of your automation, so let's make sure it's done correctly. First, on your left menu, click Calendars inside the GoHighLevel and then click on Calendar Settings and then New Calendar. Make sure you choose personal booking. All right. This is perfect for one-on-one coaching sessions like coaching calls, consultations, or clarity calls. Now, let's set up the basic details. Give your calendar a name, for example, clarity coaching, clarity call. So, there you go. And then select the team member in this case. That's just me. And if you want a clean link, you can also customize your calendar URL. So choose your meeting duration. I'll set mine to 30 minutes. So your availability will automatically follow your business hours, but you can customize them later under advanced settings if you want specific time blocks. And then click on confirm. All right, you can also click on this to preview how does it look like and then click close. Now we will edit the calendar booking. Um, Here you can add logo, put a description on it, and then also you can choose your branding color, and you can also choose location. For example, your company is using Zoom or Google Meet or phone. Mine, I will just choose a phone for the system demo. And then next thing, oh, by the way, don't forget to click on save. And then next is go to forms. So for forms and payment, here you can assign a form that clients will fill out before the appointment. I'm using my, let's see, lead capture form. And then don't forget to click on save. You can edit this one, your thank you message, and then click on save. And then the next thing to edit is the notifications and um, additional options. So you'll see different triggers like appointment book, reminders, cancellation, reschedule, and more. For this demo, I'm enabling simple reminder notifications. So this sends a message before the call to reduce no-show. So here's how you edit. I want to enable email reminder and then I click on save. So if you also want to enable the text message or WhatsApp, you can do that. So click on save. And then once everything looks good, click also save on the upper right side. So GHL will then generate your booking link and an embedded code. So this link is, let me just go back here. Um, this link, all right, um, is what you can put on your website, your funnel, or send directly to your clients. So copy this one and then you can put it here. And this is how it looks like, same as what the preview widget we pulled out a while ago. And that's it. Your calendar is fully set up and ready to use. So in the next video, we'll connect this to calendar to your automations so your pipeline updates automatically when someone books. So if these help you, make sure to watch the next step in 30-day build series. See you there.